honey, who do I think I am? Who do I think I am? Who do I think I am? So good morning, guys. Look at my cute little new setup. I've got to add curtains still. I already have my curtains, I just don't have a curtain rod, and I still haven't found one that I liked, so my curtains ain't hanging up. I'm just very picky when it comes to my home decor. As you can see, I have an aesthetic to appeal to. So I am getting ready to go for a jog. Just literally got this two-piece set from Ross. I think it's like 70 degrees, so I'm wearing a jacket just in case. Now on trend is my energy drink. I partnered with Rowdy a little while ago to do a sponsored post for them, but after doing the sponsored content, I actually fell in love with the drinks, so they ended up sending me a lot of them. They are amazing. This is not sponsored. I'm just simply telling you guys because I really do like these energy drinks. They actually taste really good and they have 0 sugar, so they're good for a keto diet. Yeah, I just wanted to show y'all my fit. I'm about to head out, so I'll see you guys later.
You need to put your headphones in and go for a walk and get a coffee and feel like, you know, you're in a fucking movie. Like, you need to do that corny shit.
Okay guys, so I'm back. It's later on in the day. I decided to come on and just film some behind the scenes of me editing some content. I decided to snack on some ice cream. It's just the Aldi's version of the Halo Top, so it's super healthy. But I was just editing this video so I could have it uploaded by the end of the week. So I'm doing my makeup to go take some photos. I don't know where I'm taking them yet, so more than likely it'll be the square downtown, just so I can have some really cute outfit photos. That's really the only reason why I'm doing it. I'm not trying to do a drastic face, just enough to accentuate my natural beauty. Alright, I've only put tinted moisturizer on from It Cosmetics, which is the Nude Glow. It's the new one. And then I used Lancome and Benefit for concealer, one darker one. I used the 500 to contour with, and then I used shade 8 in the Boing concealer. Alright. I'm using these nude palettes. This is the nudes and the chocolates from Juvia's Place to basically just do a nice neutral eye look. I used this color and this color on my lid, and I'm using this color as my transition color. Some eyeliner and some lashes. I kind of want to put these Kiss lashes on because they're super cute, but at the same time I want to save them for a legit moment, so we're gonna go with my 421s from Ardell. These are like my go-to lashes. I literally always wear these lashes if I'm not wearing velour lashes. This is Lancome's Idole mascara that I'm just going in with. These lashes really open up my eyes because they're dramatic, but they're like lash extension lashes, so they look perfect on. Now let's blend these under eyes and then we'll sit. I like to let my concealer and stuff sit before I go in and blend anything out. I do want to add a little bit of a white to the inner corner, so I'm taking this white from this. This is the Anastasia Carly Bottle palette, I'm just popping that. I like this because it really opens up my eye. And I'm putting this on concealer, so it's still kind of tacky. Ah, it's so cute. Okay. I'm using my Laura Mercier translucent honey powder, and this is a sponge from e.l.f. that I die-heartedly cannot live without. I don't know, if I feel like fell in love with a quick makeup routine. I don't know why. It's just, it just gets the job done. I feel like I've become a clean girl, even though it was unintentionally. Like, I still love makeup. I just haven't had time to do like creative makeup. It's more of just kind of like the things that I have time for, which is a quick face, because your girl is a working girl. So I haven't had time yet to make content, makeup content for real. So it's coming in the works. As the summer progresses, we will be doing more creative looks, so be on the lookout for that. I'm gonna set my bronzer with this Morphe palette. I'm using the bronzer shade right in the middle. All right, I'm gonna take the blush too as well, because I don't feel like using a different one. It doesn't really matter either. Just some color to pull that face together. This is the Hello Happy in shade 9, I believe. Using the same brush that I had blush on. I don't know why, but I just am. Let's do these brows. Now that they're already shaped, I'm just going in with my gimme brow. I'm gonna do my lips last because I like my lips to be fresh when I'm taking photos. I'll bring you guys along with me. So guys, I opted for pictures in my bedroom instead because my bedroom got the sunlight. So we gonna work with it. And I was like, you know what? I already have enough outside photos. This window pane in my lighting is irritating me. You guys will get to see how I take my IG photos with my tripod and my Apple Watch. Here is just a quick view of my setup. So ignore that, that's just a makeup palette so I can look at my face and touch up my makeup if I needed to. I'm going to just push this button. This is a remote. I also have one of these linked on my Amazon storefront. But so I'm gonna show you how I use this remote to take my photos instead of using this, because I don't want to have to continue to reach and press the button. So this is convenient for me to put in my pocket and to just press the timer. And I already have my phone set to 3 seconds, so this is gonna work perfect. Let's get started. I'm gonna put you right here so you're out of the way. See my little kitty up there? Hi, Shadow. He's so adorable. He's probably going to be, yep, he's gonna be in my photos. Photo bombing AF. Okay, let me see. Yeah, I'm gonna bring this here because I don't want it to be in the shadow. Like, yeah, I don't want it to be in my shadow. When I hide this, I typically either put it in my pocket or my bra, whichever one, if I don't have pockets. Maybe I should get a detailed outfit shot. Utilize your accessories to play on your photography. So I started to switch up my poses and play around with my angles, see what worked best. So I moved my tripod up just so I can have a little bit more lighting. And once I did that, I started to feel a little bit more comfortable with my photos and my poses. So I started to play around a little bit more and just started having fun. You know, that's what this is all about, serving and enjoying the moment. Okay, let's check these photos out. Oh, hot mama. Oh my god, these are hot AF. Giving Y2K, baby. honey. Okay. Ah! Okay, but can we take a moment? Because where did I miss? Please tell me. Like, every single one of these photos is hitting. Honey. Who do I think I am? Who do I think I am? Who do I think I am? I'm that girl. That's who I am. While I have a smidget of sunlight left, I'm going to do a TikTok video. Just a smidget, because it's like going over the horizon. The sun is setting. Yeah, let's go. I'm doing the pizzazz because it literally is stuck in my head. Okay, there we go. I think I got it this time. Let's just see what this looks like. This is cute. Okay, I'm gonna screen record this so y'all can see this.
You okay? Like really? I'm fine. If I'ma be sad, I'ma do it with pizzazz. And shake these feelings off my ass.
Oh my god, this is perfect. Okay. I'm gonna show you guys the results. After that, we will conclude the video. So guys, these are my results from taking my photos here at home. This just goes to show you that you don't have to go out and take photos out anywhere. If you have really good lighting, utilize your room, utilize your home. A trick that I learned was taking my phone, and during the day around, I'd say either 11, from 10 really to 4, 10 to 4, just scan your phone with your camera on around your house just to kind of see what your lighting looks like, just to kind of visualize good photo taking spots just right here in your house. But yeah guys, that is all that I have for you today. I am so glad you tuned in and watched. If you aren't, make sure you are subscribed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for tuning. Bye.